Dragging clips. At the top left of the timeline panel, you'll find the Snap button, which is on by default. When snapping is enabled, clip segments snap automatically to each other's edges. This simple but useful feature will help you position clip segments frame accurately. The keyboard shortcut to toggle snapping on or off is S. Even if you have already begun dragging an item to perform an edit, you can still press S to enable or disable snapping while dragging. It's common to forget if snapping is off or on, so this can be a useful shortcut to learn. Select the last clip on the timeline, HS Suit, and drag it a little to the right. Because there are no clips after this one in the sequence, you simply introduce a gap before the clip. No other clips are affected. Make sure the Snap option is enabled, in blue, and drag the clip back to its original position. If you move slowly, you'll notice that the clip segment jumps into position at the last moment. When this happens, you can be confident it's perfectly positioned. Notice that the clip also snaps to the end of the cutaway shot on the Video 2 track and the playhead. Drag the clip left until the right edge of the clip snaps to the right edge of the previous clip so they are overlapping. When you release it, the new clip replaces the end of the previous clip. When you drag clips, the default editing mode is over right. Undo to return the clip to its original position.